Christopher Bell got into his teammate Daniel Suarez. Oh, flat tire, and Bell is into the wall.
Inside, just hold it up.
Huge hit.
Just hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. You're clear down.
He couldn't hold it anywhere. Makes you wonder if there was some damage after scrubbing along that wall.
Yeah, it only had about 12, 13 laps on that set of tires.
Wow, so good to see the window net come down. Boy, that's the second big hit in as many weeks for Christopher Bell. He had the big barrel roll down the front stretch at Daytona last week, and then just pounds the wall here today as that right front went down again.
So thankful for technology, the safer barrier, all the safety equipment that's inside that truck. We've seen guys, Phil, in our career hit the wall like that and they would never walk away, and now Christopher Bell is able to get out and wave at the crowd and head off to race again.
I think a good chance, Michael, that you were talking maybe some damage from the incident when he got into Suarez's quarter panel, maybe caused a little bit of a tire rub.